Hi, this is NUBIA Neo 5G and I'll show you how to customize the AOD option on this device. So open Muviz Edge App. Here you could switch your currently theme to another one. Just select one from the other themes and tap to apply. We could switch here the backgrounds if you want. We could add them if you don't use them before, just by swipe to the up or to the down and click here to apply. So let's go back, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display, and we could here activate or turn off AOD option by click on the switcher on the right upper corner. Here we got also show unlock screen option always while device charging on music. We could use these two options separately or together. Here we got the brightness level option. We could decrease and increase the brightness level to switch AOD timeout from 5 seconds to never. We could also switch low power after timeout to change the screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape and reverse landscape. We could close it by double or single tap on the lock screen to close it on fingerprint on screen off. We could just use the shadow to start the end time of the D&D mode, and also we could just use the burn-in protection and pocket mouse with the help of the switchers. And if you want, you can also disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize NUBIA AOD option on our NUBIA Neo 5G. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.